Hi there, today we're going to be looking at some hair extensions and I have a very exciting product to share with you. Now these hair extensions are human hair and they do come with a little tester. I just want to show you what that is like because you can in fact open this package and take a look at the tester, and if it doesn't match you, you are able to send your hair back, which I think is so nice. I think it's a great feature and you're able to really take a look at the hair and see if it matches you before installing them. Now, installation is actually really easy. It doesn't take any special hairdresser around. It's only a couple of minutes of your time. It's really simple. I'm going to show it to you today, and it's going to surprise you, I'm sure. Now, these are obviously completely safe. They're not going to damage your hair, and there's no commitment. You can take them out whenever you like, and you can put them back in whenever you like. Also, because these are human hair, they will be a little bit more strong and go up against heat a little better than a synthetic product would. Aside from this, they're also able to blend more seamlessly with your hair because they don't need to pretend to look like hair, they just are hair. There's a total of 7 wefts and 16 clips, which I think is a very good deal for this product. I really love that this company accepts returns hassle-free with full money back as long as you don't open the whole package. I find that really honorable and I respect it quite a bit. Now, I know a lot of hair salons and even celebrities that buy from this store, and I myself wear these extensions whenever I want to go out and have a night out and get longer, thicker hair instantly. Now, for those of you wondering where to get these extensions, you can find them actually on CanadaHair.ca. This is a very popular website that a lot of people have actually reviewed and even talked to me about in person. It's very reputable among, like I said, hairdressers and celebrities who need hair for events and things like that. All orders actually ship from Canada, so there's no duty fees, and customers typically get their orders fairly quickly. The site is just chock full of hair extensions and wigs that are super high quality human hair and are found at affordable prices. So I've taken the product that I'm going to be working with today out of its packaging, and I'm actually just so shook by this quality right here. It is again 100% human hair. It is 18 inches, and you can see for yourself that is healthy, shiny, and it has the texture and detail that synthetic hair just can't mimic. It's one of a kind, I can already tell, and I already know this is going to be a good demonstration. I usually go for some that are obviously a little bit darker, but today I'm stepping out of the box to go for more of an ombre look, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, take a look at the website on CanadaHair.ca and you'll see tons of options that you might want to try out just for fun, not maybe want to actually dye your real hair with, but these are super affordable and great for a quick look that takes no time at all. So let's just get into it. Here's what the largest weft looks like for you. There are in fact, again, like I said, 7 wefts with 16 clips in total. This weft here has 4 clips all on its own. So this is a very great way to add some foundation, obviously. Continuing to unbox this product per se, we find another weft with 3 clips. Another weft with, again, 3 clips. All these, again, 18 inches. And here we have 2 wefts of 2 inches each, and 2 wefts of 4 inches each. As far as caring for your extensions, obviously I would recommend against exposing them to excessive heat, as this will damage even human hair. Obviously, we all know that to keep healthy, strong hair, you really shouldn't overheat it or burn it. Aside from this, you can use shampoo and conditioner on this hair, obviously, and leave-in treatments are a perfect way to help condition and strengthen your strands and keep them luscious and shiny for a long time. I would again also highly recommend against letting them air dry, because when you're washing up your own hair, sometimes you do obviously have time restraints where you need to leave for work or something like that, where you do need to blow dry your hair. But with extensions, I think it's really unnecessary. You usually don't need to hurry up and dry them in a couple of minutes before work, because you don't technically always wear extensions to work or wash them before work. So yes, let them air dry, and then if you need to style them or adjust their styling later once they're already dry. That will just help protect the hair and make it last an extra long time, making your investment that much more worthwhile. Now, before I install any hair extensions, obviously you're going to want to go through your hair. Make sure that you comb through your real hair and your extensions to get rid of any knots before starting this process. It's very important to do beforehand to ensure you won't have further complications or bigger knotting between your real hair and your extensions, etc., etc., etc. So I'm just going to keep going through each weft, and then my real hair, I just have a fine-tooth comb here. I'm going in with the bigger side right now with the extensions, and we'll be working my way through my real hair too. By doing preparation like this, you'll be able to cut down the time of installation and styling by an incredible amount that it really surprises you. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you, before the full demo started, a quick, easy look. I have installed the rest of the extensions, but I thought about it. This makes more sense for me for somebody who's a beginner looking at this video, wanting to know how to install hair extensions. I'm going to show you on top of the hair first. Now, don't do this, but this is just to demonstrate the technique necessary that you're going to use these really great quality extensions with. So here, I'm going to show you by lining up the top. We're going to imagine this is the line that I've separated my hair to. I'm pressing the clip in near the root, not on it, but as close as I can. And I'm spacing it out appropriately so it lays flat. See how this is not bumpy right here? I'm going to space them apart so that the full length of the hair extension is extended out and it all flows down fairly smoothly. Now, obviously this texture is not perfect, neither is the texture of my real hair right now, but I also want to show you that you can use heat on this as well. So today I will be sharing with you how I do this sometimes. Here I just have my roommate helping me demonstrate the installation process from an outsider's perspective, and he actually has no hair experience whatsoever. So this just goes to show how easy this is. I'm instructing him verbally right now. I've really separated my hair in a straight line, as straight as I possibly could, free-handed, to allow him to clip into the hairline with the clips found at the top of the weft. And this may seem a little bit confusing at first, but you'll feel it slide in and be able to snap it right against the head without a problem. And as you can see, the lines aren't entirely perfect, obviously, but they do, and it's really just important that you're able to define a hairline and get as close as you can to the root as possible without having any hair in the way. So it's very important to take the time that you're seeing us take to remove those extra flyaway hairs, the ones that may have been in the way of him installing it, because that would pose a problem post-installation throughout the day as you wear these. And here you can just see that I am feeling around my head for bumps. This is a great way to ensure that you're going to be smooth, your hair looks smooth, and that everything is installed in a way that looks flattering and not very bumpy. Now I'm just going in with some of the singles and 2 clip wefts on my own to show you how you can actually just install these in your bathroom mirror when you're getting ready in the morning. Here you can really see the process start to come together, where we are really just checking in and adjusting any clips that seem to be sticking out or appear bumpy in the finished product. I did notice that one on the side of the head near the top was sticking out, so we decided to readjust that, and once you reinstall it, it really solves the problem for the rest of the day. It's really great to just take a little bit of a second-hand glance once you're done installing to make sure you haven't messed up in any way, and that just really ensures your final product and your final look are going to come out very clean and very smooth. Alright, one last thing that I wanted to demonstrate to you guys today after installing these lovely thickening extensions, which I'm sure you can already see. They even unstyled. They add so much thickness and volume to your hair. It's insane. The ends of my hair already look so much thicker. And I'm really satisfied, but I want to show you that you can take it a step further by styling your hair after you've already put in the extensions, or even before if you want to pre-style them. You can curl them, flat iron them, you can even blow dry them. As you can see, the hair is really smoothening out. It's not burning or sizzling like a synthetic hair would at this point. Because it is human. It's really meshing well with my hair, and I love the really lightening effects that it's giving the end of my hair. It's super fun, super festive, and I think it's warming up my face a little bit, just like the overall ombre that I'm noticing, so I'm pretty satisfied. And it does brush out just like your hair will. See how smooth that looks? See how real it looks? You would never know. This is something anybody can afford. This is something anybody can fit into their life. It really takes like 5 minutes to put these in, brush your hair, and you have so much confidence, so much beauty, so much thickness for the day, for any event. I'm in love. And like I said, these clips come out super easy, super quick. I think I might pin some hair back right around here.